what's your MOQ? What do you do in-house to control quality? Do you offer any shipping and logistics services? What's the best way for them to contact you? Today we're at the Global Sources Hong Kong trade show, October 24, in the TLD apparel booth with John. So John, introduce your two factories and tell us about the products that you specialize in.
We have two factories, one in Bắc Ninh province for knitting. We have about 100 workers there. The factory for woven produce jacket, pants there. We have about 500 workers there.
Okay, excellent. So one factory specializes in outerwear?
Yes. And one for like yoga wears, activewear like t-shirt.
All right, so let's talk about the factory that specializes in outerwear. For example, a windbreaker, a light jacket. What's your MOQ?
Our MOQ will be 1,000 per style, and we can do two colors. So it's the 500 pieces per style.
And for the knitwear factory, the activewear, yoga wear factory, what's the MOQ?
It's the same with the woven, still 500 pieces per style. But if our customer do just one style and so many color, we can do from like 300.
Okay. And where do you source most of your fabrics?
Most the fabric we source from China. Some from Taiwan, and some customer they require that the fabric from Vietnam. We also can source from Vietnam.
And if the customer does not have a tech pack, they just have an idea. Do you have a team that can help them with designing and developing?
Yes.
And do you work on FOB, CM, and CMPT terms?
Yes.
What do you do in-house to control quality?
From beginning, we will have our QC and our technical check with the worker, check with the factory, ensure the quality. We also have one QC to follow all the orders.
If the customer wants to do an AQL inspection, can they send their own QC, third-party QC company to come in and do an inspection?
Yes, they can do.
Do you offer any shipping and logistics services, or does the customer usually?
Yes, we have a logistic team. We also can do DDP.
How do you manage protecting the customer's design?
To ensure we cannot leak the information of both sides outside. So we can ensure to keep the design for them.
Okay, excellent. Do you guys do sublimation printing in-house?
We have to do outside.
Okay. So what kind of printing options do you offer that you outsource?
We can do many like DTG, digital printing, simulation, heat transfer.
What options are there for polybags?
Normally our customer just require the normal polybag, so we can do we can print their logo, their information in the polybag for that.
What options are there for hang tags?
Hang tag. We also some option to choose small paper, printing their information, their logo, composition of the garments.
Okay. And what about embroidery?
We also have supplier for embroidery.
What is the typical time to make a prototype?
Normally we will need about 7 to 10 days.
How would you describe your ideal target customer?
We focus on medium-sized customer.
What if a startup brand wants to come and visit you? Where should they fly into? Ho Chi Minh or Hanoi or Haiphong?
Yes, they can fly to Hanoi, and we can welcome them to our office in Hanoi.
And then if they want to visit the factories?
We will bring them to the factory. Yes.
Cool. What's the best way for them to contact you?
They can visit our website, www.TLD-𝗟𝗗𝗍𝗶𝗿. Can search us on the Google or on LinkedIn, Facebook as well.
All right, that's good. Amazing.
Thank you.